Diprinta is a company in Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, Mexico, on the border with El Paso, Texas. It was established in 1996 with the name Maquilados Fronterizos del Norte S.A.D.C.B. Its premises occupy a space of 12,500 square feet and house 30 employees in different departments such as administration, customs, manufacture, sales, and marketing. Inflexography: adhesive labels in any material such as paper or plastic as thermotransfer, direct thermal, polyester, polypropylene, Tyvek, piggyback, and RFID labels. In offset printing, manuals of different quantities of pages, saddle stitch or perfect binding, and instruction sheets in any form and fold in high volumes. Diprinta is an approved supplier for DMP, Zebra, and IMAC ribbons such as wax resin, and full resin, or any other combination your company might need. For offset printing, Diprinta offers sheet-fed or web rolling fitting printing capabilities for high volumes and digital equipment for emergencies and low volumes. In flexography, Diprinta has web presses 10 and 16 inches wide from 1 up to 6 colors with lamination and UV varnish capabilities. With a capacity to cater any market, we specialize in the maquiladora industry. Diprinta serves its customers with the manufacture of high-quality products. Among our main customers, we have Honeywell, Furukawa, Lear, 6 plants in Mexico and 2 in Honduras, Stoneridge Alphabet Division, 5 plants in Mexico, 1 in the United States and 1 in Europe, Mitsubishi Paper, CTDI, CG1, and Federal Mogul. These clients recognize the value of doing business with a reliable partner like Diprinta. Stewardship of the company is headed by trained leaders, professional and capable individuals who act and make decisions guided by strong ethical values. Among our proudest achievements is having earned the prestigious ISO 9001-2008 certification. Our mission: serving our customers through high-quality printing at competitive prices to provide full satisfaction to our customers. Our vision: to consolidate the leadership of our business through a continuous improvement in high-quality printing. At Diprinta, our commitment is to offer high-quality printing services with excellent attitude and teamwork to satisfy the demands of our clients through the continuous improvement of our quality service by establishing and reviewing constantly our objectives. The quality of our products is achieved by our excellent associates, a stable workforce with an enormous commitment to the company. Diprinta will move forward in the realization of its goals and objectives with responsibility, innovation, and excellence.